Hello dear friends. Today we'll take a look at what's hitting YouTube trends for November 20th and which videos are getting the most views. Go! In the first place in the trend was a video from the Kylie Jenner channel. In this video Kylie shows her child how they cook food together in the kitchen, and the child does this business very well. And they cooked cupcakes. The cupcakes turned out to be very bright, beautiful and tasty, but we proceed immediately to the next video. In second place in the YouTube Trends tab we have a video from the First We Feast channel. In this video the author of the video is trying a winglet with different very spicy sauces. He manages to eat wings with hot sauces, but does not get pleasure, but gets suffering, and at the same time another person sitting on a webcam looks at him. Here is such a crazy video turned out. The next top was taken by the Larry channel. In this video the author plays a popular game called Among Us. In the modern world, this game is very popular and almost every person plays it. The author's Let's Play turned out to be very entertaining, funny and sometimes funny. And this video worthy takes third place in the top of YouTube. And that's all. Thanks so much for watching this video. Bye.